Welcome back, familia, and for those that are new to my channel, my name is Christina Nietzsche, and my channel is basically all about health and fitness and doing things the natural way, but I also do product reviews on things that I love and that I truly believe in. If you guys are ready to join the family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification button so that you don't miss out on any future health and fitness videos. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a smoothie. It's going to be something that is not super high in calories, but that is very satisfying. It's going to have protein, fats, and carbs in it. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna put in here is some homemade cashew milk, about 1 cup, 1 frozen banana, roughly 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 scoop of Smart 138 salted caramel protein powder, roughly 1 tablespoon of Georgia Grinders cashew butter. A half a cup of whole rolled oats, and the last ingredient, 1 cup of ice. Okay, so that's pretty much it. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put this top on. Now, if you guys like things a little bit sweeter, you can definitely add like maybe some monk fruit or something like that. But for right now, we're actually just gonna make this as is. It looks pretty good, and it turned out really thick and amazing, just like a smoothie should be. Pretty good. So as I said before, if you like your smoothie a little bit sweeter, what I would do is just maybe add in some monk fruit, and you could add in stevia if you want to, if you prefer that. Something that is not going to add like excess calories and excess sugar, because you want to remember you're having that banana in there and you're also having some oats, so you're having like a good amount of carbs. All right, so as you can see, it was super easy to make a balanced smoothie with protein, fats, and carbs, something that's not super high in calories. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put a link in the description below of where to get the protein powder. I actually use Smart 138 because they don't add like any unnecessary ingredients, and they don't have fillers, and they don't put any unnatural sweeteners in them. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you think this would be beneficial to any family members or friends, please go ahead and share with them. And as always, I will see you guys next time.